In this video, we discuss linear equation exercise 3.3. In this exercise, we have to solve the pair of linear equations by substitution method. Let us see second part of first question. By substitution method, we have to solve the equation s minus t equals to 3. S minus t equals to 3. This is the first number equation. And s by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6. S by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6. This is the other equation. So firstly we will have to solve this equation and to make the standard form. To write the in standard form a1x plus b1y equals to c. So take LCM 6, it becomes 2s plus 3t equals to 6, and by cross multiplication 2s plus 3t equals to 6 into 6, 36. So in substitution method, we have to eliminate one of the variable, either s or t, and either from equation first or equation second. So we have to eliminate s or t from first number equation. So we will write from first. The value of s will be eliminated. So s becomes minus t will go on right side, becomes positive. S equals to t plus 3. Name it third number equation. Now put the value of s in second number equation. Put the value of s in equation third. In equation second, put the value of s in equation third. So from third equation, this is 2s, and the value of s will be written t plus 3. We put the value of s from third number equation in equation number second. So 2s and the value of s is t plus 3. So 2 into t plus 3 plus 3t equals to 36. Remove the bracket. 2t plus 6 plus 3t equals to 36. And this becomes 2t plus 3t. 5t plus 6 equals to 36. And 6 will go on right side. So 5t equals to 36 minus 6. And 5t equals to 30. The value of 36 minus 6 is 30, and t equals to 30 by 5. So we get 6. The value of t comes to be 6. Now put the value of t in equation number 3. Put the value of t in equation number 3. So s equals to t plus 3, and the value of t is 6. So s equals to 6 plus 3, and we get the value of s equals to 9. So these are the two solutions of the equation. The final answer is t equals to 6 and s equals to 9. These are the solutions of this linear equation. So in substitution method, we will have given two equations. From first or second, we will eliminate one of the variable, and then we put in another equation. We get the value of two different variables. See question number 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.3. 1.3. This is the first number equation which we have given. And second equation 0.4x. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equals to 2.3. So firstly we remove the decimal. So we can write this as 2x by 10 plus 3y by 10. We have removed the decimal term, and this is 13 by 10. From both the sides, denominator is 10. So 10 gets cancelled, and we get 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Name it first number equation. Then from the other equation, again we remove the decimal sign. So 4x by 10 plus 5y by 10 equals to 23 by 10. And 10 removed gets cancelled, and we get 4x plus 5y equals to 23. This is the second number equation. Now we eliminate the value of x from first. So we write from first, we have to eliminate the value of x. So 2x equals to 13 minus 3y, and x equals to 13 minus 3y upon 2. Name it equation number 3rd. Now put the value of x from 3rd to 2nd. Put the value of x from 3rd to 2nd. थर्ड इक्वेशन से x की वैल्यू सेकंड इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे. सो दिस इज 4x. सो 4 into the value of x 13 minus 3y upon 2. 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. Now we have to solve this equation to obtain the value of y. So 4 and 2 gets cancelled, and remove the bracket. 13 into 2 26 minus 2 into 3 6y plus 5y equals to 23. 26 minus 6y plus 5y, this is minus y, equals to 23, and y would go on right side, becomes positive. So the value of y comes to be 26 minus 23, and we get y equals to 3. Now put the value of y in third number equation. So from third, x equals to 13 minus 3y, and the value of y is also 3. So 13 minus 3 into 3 upon 2, 13 minus 9 upon 2, this is 4 upon 2, and the value of x is 2. So we get the answer x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Question number 3, root x plus root 3y equals to 0. Root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. And second equation, root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Name it first number equation, and this is at second number equation. So now in this equation we eliminate x from second. So from second we can write root 3x equals to root of 8y, and the value of x comes to be root 8 by root 3 into y. Name it third number equation. Now put the value of x in equation number first. So put the value of x from third to first. Put the value of x from equation number third to equation number first. So under root of x, and the value of x we get root 8 by root 3 into y, and plus root 3y equals to 0, and from both the terms we take y as common. So root 2 into root 8, root 16 by root 3, and plus root 3 equals to 0, and root 16 is 4. So y into 4 by root 3 plus root 3 equals to 0, and the value of y. This goes on denominator place, and 0 divided by any 3 we get 0. So the value of y comes to be 0. put the value of y in equation number third. So from third, x equals to under root of 8 by root 3 into y. The value of y is 0, and 0 multiplied by anything, the result we get 0. So the solution of this equation is x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. See question number 6, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equals to minus 2. So we take LCM 6, this comes 9x minus 10y equals to minus 2, and do cross multiplication. So 9x minus 10y equals to minus 12. 6 into minus 2 minus 12, this is first number equation, and x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. LCM 6, this comes 2x plus 3y equals to 13 by 6. 6 and 6 cancelled, and it comes 2x plus 3y equals to 13. This is the second number equation. Now we eliminate the value of x or y from first number equation. So from first, 9x equals to 10y minus 12. This minus 10y will go on right side, becomes positive, and x comes to be 10y minus 12 upon 9. Name it third number equation. Now put the value of x from third to second. Put the value of x from third to second. So the second equation is 2x, and the value of x we get 10y minus 12 by 9 and plus 3y equals to 13. Let us take LCM. So LCM is 9, 2 into 10y, 20y minus 2 into 12, 24, plus 9 into 3, 27y equals to 13, and 20y plus 27y. This becomes 47y minus 24 equals to 13 into 9, 170. And 47y equals to 117 plus 24. This is 109. 141. So the value of y is 141 by 47. It goes by 3. So we get the result y equals to 3. Now put the value of y in third number equation. Put the value of y in equation. But so x equals to 10 into y, and the value of y we get 3 minus 12 upon 9. So x equals to 30 minus 12 upon 9, and 30 minus 12 means 18 upon 9. And we get x equals to 18 divided by 9. So these are the two solutions, x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. If we put the value of x equals to 2 and y equals to 3 in any one of the equations, the LHS and RHS must be same. Question number second, solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Two equations we have given, 2x plus 3y equals to 11, and the other equation is 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. First equation and second equation. 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. So we eliminate the value of x or y from first. So from first the value of 2x equals to 11 minus 3y, and we get the value of x 11 minus 3y by 2. Name it equation number third. Put the value of x from third to second. So this is 2x and the value of x is 11 minus 3y by 2 and minus 4y equals to minus 24. With 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and 11 minus 3y minus 4y minus 7y equals to minus 24. Minus 7y equals to minus 24. This 11 goes on right side, becomes negative. So minus 7y equals to minus 35, minus and minus cancelled, and y equals to 35 by 7. So we get the value of y is 5. Now put the value of y in third. So from equation number third, x equals to 11 minus 3 into the value of y is 5 upon 2. So 11 minus 15 upon 2, this is minus 4 by 2, and x equals to minus 2. So these are the two solutions, x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 5, and we have to find the value of m. We have given y equals to mx plus 3, and then find the value of m. So put the value of x and y in this equation. The value of y is 5. M into the value of x, we get minus 2 plus 3. So 5, 3 will go on left side, becomes negative, equals to minus 2m. So 2 equals to minus 2m and m equals to minus 1. So this is the value of m. Question number third. These are the word problems. We have to form the equation and then we have to find the solutions by substitution method. The first question is, first part of third question. The difference between two numbers is 26. The difference between two numbers is 26. The difference between two numbers is 26, and one number is 3 times the other, and one number is 3 times the other. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. We have to find the numbers. So we will suppose, let two numbers be x and y. It is given the difference between two numbers is 26. Means x minus y equals to 26. And one number is 3 times the other, means x is equals to 3y. One number is 3 times the other, x is 3 times the other, 3 times of 1. Put the value of x in first. Put the value of x in first number equation. So the value of x is 3y, so we get 3y minus y equals to 26. And 2y equals to 26 and y equals to 13. And from second, x equals to 3y and 3 into 13, the value of x comes to be 39. So the result we get x equals to 39 and y equals to 13. And their difference is also 26. 39 minus 13 There is 26. Now second part of the questions, third. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller. Exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. By 18 degree. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Find them. So let one angle be x, then other angle. We have given that the two angles are supplementary angles. So if one angle be x, then other angle will be 180 minus x. Because if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then it is called supplementary angles. And now it is given that larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 80. So suppose this is the smaller and this is the larger. So larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 80. So x plus 80. Now this x will come on left side, x, and this goes on right side, becomes minus 180. So minus 2x equals to minus of 162. So minus and minus cancelled and x equals to 162 by 2, we get 81. So one angle comes to be 81 degree. And from other, so other angle is, we have supposed 180 minus x, so put the value of x, 81, 89 degree. The other angle is 99 degree. So we get the two angles, one is 81 and other is 99 degree. And the sum of both the angles will be 180 degree. The third question is, question number 5. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. Seven bats and 6 balls for rupees 38. For rupees 3800, and letter C buys 3 bats and 5 balls. Letter C buys. Letter C 3 bats and 5 balls. Five balls for rupees 1750. For rupees 1750. So find the cost of each bat and each ball. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So we suppose let the cost of each bat is rupees X and the cost of each ball is rupees Y. So we have given the cost of 7 bats and 6 balls. So 7x plus 6y equals to 3800. First number equation. And the cost of 3 bats is 3x and 5 balls. 5y is rupees 1750. So we have to find the value of x and y. So we eliminate x from first. 7x equals to 3800 minus 6y and x equals to 3800 minus 6y by 7. Name it third number equation. Now from first, from second, put the value of x in equation number second. So 3 times of 3800 minus 6y upon 7 and plus 5y equals to 1750. Now take LCM. So 3800 into 3, 11400 minus 6 into 3, 18y plus 7 into 5, 35y equals to 1750 and 11400 minus 18y plus 35y, this is 17y equals to, by cross multiplication we get 12250 and 17y equals to 12250 minus 11400. So 12250 minus 114 and 00. We get 850. So 17y equals to 850 and y equals to 850 upon 17, which is 50. So we get the value of y as 50. Now put the value of y in third number equation. So from third, x equals to 3800 minus 6 into y means 50 upon 7. So it comes x equals to 3800 minus 300 upon 7, which is 3500 upon 7, and x equals to 50. The value of x also comes to be 50. The value of y is 50 and the value of x is also 50. So we get this is the cost of one bat and cost of one ball. If you want to check whether the solution is correct or not, you may put the value of x and y in any one of the equations. How to check? So put the value of x and y in second number equations. From second, 3 into x, the value of x is 50, plus 5 into y, 5 into 50 equals to 750. So this is 150 and plus 3 into 50 plus 5, x equals to 3600 minus 6y and upon 7. 3 850 18y 850 the value 50 and x equals to 3500 upon 7. This is 500. X equals to 500. So 3x means 3 into 500 which is 1500 plus this is 250 equals to 1750. So we get 1750 equals to 1750. Since LHS is equals to RHS, it means our solution is correct. So this is the way to check whether the solution is right or